Okay, so we are dealing with the Washington Cares Fund Act, also which is the long-term care tax. And if you are going to be able to opt out with a once in a lifetime exemption, which will be your own private insurance in lieu of paying the 0.58% tax. So what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through, because what happens, you have to apply for the exemption. Don't think that you're just going to turn in your benefits page to your employer. That's not going to work. What actually happens is I'm going to share my screen here with you, but I'm going to go directly to the so this screen explains what the Washington Cares Fund, and we'll put a link on the bottom of this email. But what this explains is how you apply for the exemption. So once you apply for this exemption, then you're responsible. If you change employers, you have to take the letter from the state, the ESD, which is the Employment Security Department. Once you submit, and I'll go through and show you the procedure, which is kind of a little bit lengthy, so that's why I wanted to do a video to make sure that everybody did this, and you need to keep the letter of confirmation. So we're going to go through this, and I'm a little nervous because John told me if I make any mistakes in the middle, he can't take those out. So you're going to have to bear with me. I've got stage fright right now. So okay, what we're going to do is if you go click on this link, apply for an exemption. So you have to have a SAW account, which is Secure Access Washington account. So maybe if you ever applied for unemployment or you have professional licenses through the state, you maybe already have one. So what you'll do is you'll just click on the Secure Access Washington.gov. And then what you're going to do is you can sign up here, or you can do a login. All right, if you've already created an account and maybe you forgot your username or your password, then you would do that. But you can click sign up, and then actually if you click sign up and you already have an account, it'll tell you, and then they send you the secure link to do that. So all right, so I'm going to go like we're already logged in, and this is my account. So what happens is you have to go through here, and you need to add a new service. Okay, so I mentioned about once you get into the SAW account, and I forgot, this is one of the things where I've used this, is where I've renewed my driver's license. So if you've ever renewed your driver's license online, the DOL, so that's where you can also access through there. Okay, so we're going to add a new service, all right? And after taking 20 minutes, it finally clicked in my head that I need to go into this. So I would like to browse a list of services by agency. Okay, click on that, and you want the ESD Employment Security Department. So here we go. All right, scroll down their alphabetical order. Okay, so now once you got into the Employment Security Department, now what you need to do is you need to apply. So it's under the tab of paid family medical leave. All right. So it's the third one down. You need to click apply, and then you're going to OK for your registration type. So that's going to put that onto your account here. So if you click in here and we want to do, so you see it says paid family and medical leave PFML by the Security Employment ESD. So click on access now. Then you're going to hit continue. All right. So now what you're going to want to do is this takes you to a page where it says create an account, benefit account, employer's agent, elective coverage, and then the very last one is Washington Cares exemption. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in here because I haven't not done mine yet. Then what you need to do is enter your information here, and then okay. So what happened is on a few you have to click a couple spots there where it takes you to this page. So it actually asks what your age is, and you have to click in these boxes. Have long-term care insurance is defined. And then also that you're understand that your application for exemption is approved. You will never be able to participate in the program, and then the Employment Security Department may verify the information provided. So then you hit next, and then, oops, guess what? You must read. So, oh, I'm at least 18 years of age, and I want to opt out. Sorry. So you need to click all those boxes. And then you have to upload your proof of identity, which I have a outline of coverage, states when my policy was taken effect, what the premium is, what the benefits are, what the name of the company is, my name, and everything needs to be on there. So don't just upload like your last billing or anything like that. It actually has to go and list what the outline of coverage is and what kind of coverage it is. So then you just would choose the file and upload from there, and then hit the next button. Okay, so I'm going to hit upload on the document. All right, so you see the document name is uploaded. That's the name of my long-term care coverage, which I got from the insurance company, showing what my benefits were, all that. So then you're going to hit next, and they've received my application. And then what's going to happen, they have to send you they'll probably email you or let you know that there's uploaded on the website, saying that your letter of confirmation, it has to be a letter of confirmation from the ESD. It has to be. And then you're going to give that to your employer. Be sure, we prefer to keep a copy of that on our files here, our electronic files. So, if you need help with this application process through SAW to get that, I just as soon help you and make sure it gets done correctly. Now, the deadline for this is the December 31st of 2021, technically, but it would go to December 31st of 2022, but you would be paying the tax all year long and you're not going to get a refund back. So it's best to get this done as soon as possible. Once you get your SAW account up and running, go in and follow the procedures, or come into the office and we'll help you get it done so we know it's done properly. And we do want to keep a copy on file of your confirmation letter from ESD. Okay, so if you have any other questions, we'll be glad to get with you, answer those questions. But as long as you have long-term care insurance, or it could be life insurance with a long-term care rider, we want to make sure that you get the exemption in place. Okay. All right. Well, I believe that's it. If you have any questions, give our office a phone call and we'll have the links attached to the bottom of this email. All right. Good luck.